Questions tonight about pending coronavirus cases in our area. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve Savard.
And I'm Samantha Jones. The state health department is ruling out some previously suspected cases. In the Central West End, the new city school will reopen tomorrow. Testing for the parent of a student there came back negative tonight. The school was closed today as a precaution. Also tonight, St. Louis County officially confirms through CDC testing the 20-year-old woman in Ladue does have coronavirus. Across Missouri, a total of 11 cases came back negative today. That includes 2 in St. Charles County and 2 in St. Louis County. However, 1 case is still pending in St. Louis County. And finally, St. Louis University students, you should check your class schedules. The school is suspending many of next week's classes.
The outbreak is affecting quite a few events. We're hearing more of this by the day. Weddings being delayed or derailed by coronavirus. News 4's Alexis Zotos is live tonight at Lambert International Airport.
Steve, tonight more and more airlines are cutting back on flights both domestically and internationally due to the decline because of the concerns over the coronavirus. It is one thing to cancel your spring break or your summer vacation plans. It's a whole other to have to cancel that dream honeymoon or even your wedding. In less than 2 months, Caleb and Kate will be husband and wife, together in sickness and health. But it's the health concerns sweeping the globe that's throwing a wrench in their wedding plans.
We started hearing about the coronavirus and we were just thinking, okay, well, hopefully nothing happens where we're going. Sure enough, we see Venice is just one of the worst hit spots.
The St. Louis County couple's dream, a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia.
So our first vacation that we did together was a cruise. We cruised out to the Bahamas.
But as coronavirus concerns grow and Italy is now effectively shut down, they've hit a wall.
We waited till pretty much the last day in order to say, okay, it's just not going to happen.
Royal Caribbean is allowing them to book another cruise in the next year, and they thankfully hadn't yet shelled out the money for their flights. But now they worry about getting guests in for their wedding.
I think right now that's our main concern, is that a lot of the people that we want there for a special day won't be able to come.
Airlines are cutting back on both international and domestic flights. At St. Louis Lambert Airport, the director says they haven't seen a major impact.
The airport felt busy every day. It didn't feel like there was a decrease. I think the last probably week and a half or 2 weeks, especially with some of the deaths in Seattle, people are a little bit more aware.
Lambert is stepping up cleaning efforts, putting out more hand sanitizer and using stronger cleaning products. And they have a message for you.
Well, I think people shouldn't be afraid to fly.
Caleb and Kate's new honeymoon plan will be a road trip. So while the dream vacation is on hold, at the end of the day, their focus is on each other.
I was deflated last week about this, but then we just talked, we got together and just said, it's okay, we're still going to be together.
If you have questions about travel, you are urged to check the CDC's website. They have a lot of information. The CDC says that the risk of flying for anyone is low because of the way the air circulates and is filtered on an airplane. Reporting live at Lambert, Alexis Zotos, News 4.